So now we are presented with two types of downloads, and we need to be careful which one we choose. One of them is for a 32-bit, and the other one is for 64-bit. So before we start clicking things down here, let's also pay attention up here where it says download location. So I'm going to choose change location, and I'm going to put this somewhere where I want it to go. So I'm putting it in my X directory, and it's going to go inside of Windows, and I'm going to put it in 8.1. So I'm just going to put it right here. Click OK. So that's where it's going to go. And then I need to make sure I choose the correct one, because this could take quite a long time to download. You can see it's almost 3 gigabytes in size. So I want the 64-bit version, so I'm going to choose Start Download on this version here. So now it's starting. And you can see it's sitting at 0%, so this could take a couple hours to download. So this is a good time to kind of take a break and do something else. The download just completed, and you can tell that it's done because in this green bar right here it'll say that it is done, and it saved it to this location here, so it shows me right underneath here where it went to. I'm not going to click launch right now. What I'm going to do is just go to where this place is on my computer. So I'm just going to go to Windows Explorer here. I'm going to go to my D drive, and I saved it to the X directory. So D is my backup drive. And I'm going to look for my Windows directory. Sometimes in my X drive, in my X directory, I'll have like a directory called software, and then I'll put all of my software there, but I don't have that in this one. So I'll go inside of Windows 8.1. I just want to see what got downloaded. So this is a folder that the download created, and I can see here that it created an ISO. So it will be very useful to us if we had actual install media in the event that our computer becomes infected or the hard drive dies, because right now it's just an ISO, so it's kind of difficult to work with in this format. I mean, we could burn a CD and all that stuff and boot off the CD, but CDs are very, very slow compared to thumb drives. So the next section is going to cover how to create a bootable thumb drive. So we're actually going to unpack this ISO onto a thumb drive and then use the thumb drive to install Windows.